Hi, I'm Kerry Mayu with Phoenix Restoration Equipment. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to remove and replace the blower on the Phoenix DryMAX XL. And the first thing we're going to do is remove the upper housing, which will require a 3/8 inch nut driver or socket. And there's 6 bolts that hold the housing on. And once you have those out, lift the housing up and over. And next thing we'll do is we'll remove the grill from the XL, and using a T27 Torx bit, we're going to remove these 3 screws. Alright, next we're going to remove these 4 screws to loosen the blower from the bracket, and that's going to require a T20 Torx bit. Next, using a 5/16 nut driver, we're going to remove the 2 P-clamps from the bracket. And then next we will remove the 4 screws that hold the bracket to the blower housing. Now, next thing we'll have to remove a couple of zip ties. And also this P-clamp. And once we get that out, we'll simply unplug the blower harness and pass it through the bracket.